Hi everybody, BeanMeister22 here. This is another of my Skydio2 drones, and this one is very interesting. The drone completely lost signal. It did not reacquire. It decided to come home. Look at it. This is scary. It's wandering around in the trees. It's autonomous. It'll figure it out, hopefully by itself, and find its way home. If this was my DJI drone, it would just turn around and crash right into the tree on its way home. So this one kind of knows what it's doing, but it's still scary when you watch the video. Alright, so leave your comments in the comment section. Hey, do you know anything about Skydio2 drones? Have you seen my other videos? Have you seen any videos? Because if you haven't, forget about even watching my videos. Just do a search and take a look at some of the cool videos of what this drone can do. And yes, it's made in America. Alright, so leave your comments in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching.
BeanMeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.